Food businesses fail all the time. A 2005 study found that 60% of restaurants close or change ownership within the first year, and up to 80% close within the first 5 years. But why? Why do restaurants fail? Here we go. Here is what the internet says: low food quality, little to no advertising, hiring the wrong staff, bad location, bad people management, and weak customer service. But what all of these more or less reputable articles ignore is what is, in my opinion, the number one reason why food businesses fail.
The reason nobody wants to talk about.
Lack of good ideas. People are more and more selective in the way they spend their money. So thanks God, people are not interested anymore in another restaurant with nothing to say, another drink with no soul, another snack with no meaning, and anything with a negative impact on society and the environment. Great ideas is what makes a food business successful, today more than ever. So that's why food design thinking is here, to give anybody the tools to come up with good food design ideas. Whether you are designing a food service, a food product, a product for food, a dish, or an event, food design thinking is the process that helps you generate meaningful, cohesive, impactful, and sustainable ideas. For the past few years, I've been developing this food design thinking process, and now here is the complete methodology. A complete process with 52 methods that will take you from having no idea of what you will design to a final substantial food design concept that you can make into reality. In this book, you will find all the theory and principles behind this process in the first part, as well as worksheets with tools and simple step-by-step directions for each one of the 52 methods. This book is available in all Amazon stores. Find the links in the description below. In addition, the first 15 people to buy this book will also receive Thoughts for Food, an additional food creativity tool based on people's ideal eating experience. When you purchase this book, you will receive a purchase confirmation email from Amazon. Just forward that email at onlineschooloffooddesign@gmail.com and I will send you Thoughts for Food. All details are in the description of this video. As always, have a lovely day and happy food design thinking!